I am Richard Fulford of fishlife.co.uk, pond specialist, and at this pond here the water has started to go green. This pond has two 55 watt genuine Awaza UV bulbs in a Bitron C 110 watt ultraviolet clarifier and a Biotech Screenmatic 90,000. So it's the right filter system for the job, but because the pond is being topped up regularly with so much tap water, and the tap water here in this part of the south of England, West Sussex, is so hard, there's lots of dissolved calcium in the tap water, which means that the calcium, much in the same way as it will in a kettle, will precipitate, okay? Which means that it comes out of solution and it forms a deposit on this quartz sleeve. It's quartz, not glass. Glass is efficient at absorbing ultraviolet radiation. Quartz is pure, much purer than glass, and it allows the ultraviolet radiation to pass through, come into contact with the single-celled algae responsible for turning that pond green. Now, usually the bulbs in most filter systems, if correctly sized for the pond, will only need replacing once every 12 months. This system was installed in August last year. It's now coming to the end of April, so it's not been 12 months. But sometimes, if a pond is in a situation where it's getting a lot of light, this is in a south-facing garden, one has to replace the bulbs more often. Coupled with the fact that there's a lot of calcium on the quartz tube, I've got the tube out. I'm going to remove that using Awaza Pump Clean, which is this stuff. Awaza Pump Clean will decalcify or decalc that calcium precipitation. While I've got it out, let's not mess around. Let's just put two new UV 55 watt bulbs in, and I reckon that this time next week that pond will be on its way to being crystal clear again. So this is Richard Fulford of fishlife.co.uk. I'm the owner of the business. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this short video. Thanks very much. www.fishlife.co.uk